AFTS is ready for launch.
F9 is in startup.
LD is go for launch.
Stage 2 pressing for flight.
T-minus 30 seconds and count.
Stage 1 pressing for flight.
T-minus 15. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff. So your post-launch flight operations. Towers complete.
I'm trying to find out what it's like to have a beachside Christmas here on Florida's Space Coast. All right, so here are your lightning round questions. Are you ready?
I think so.
Okay. Do Christmas lights even work on palm trees?
Absolutely, yes. As long as they're plugged in.
I guess that makes sense. Yeah, absolutely. Do you think elves wear baggies or Speedos?
Speedos. Speedos, for sure.
I think so too, probably.
At least here.
What is the weather normally like on a Florida Space Coast Christmas?
Toasty. Very toasty, but delightful. I don't know, it's really nice right now and Christmas is coming up, so nice.
Have you ever been in a Christmas Florida blizzard?
No.
Do you have any fun Florida Christmas traditions?
Going around looking at Christmas lights.
How do you think Santa avoids sweating his sleigh bells off in that sleigh?
Air conditioning.
You gotta have a good air conditioner here in Florida.
I mean, I think it's colder maybe up like in the sky and the atmosphere, but I don't really believe in Santa Claus.
Wait a minute, what are you trying to say to me right now? Does it count as Christmas if it's 80 degrees?
Yes.
That's all the questions. You did it.
Let's go!
Welcome to Space Coast Live. I'm Jenna Wood, and today we have a very special episode for you, and it's all about Christmas. And while many of you are starting to experience winter, it's all about fun in the sun here on the Space Coast. There's no better spot that captures that feel than Coconuts. With a prime location in downtown Cocoa Beach, the restaurant sits literally right on the beach. For more on Coconuts, let's turn it over to the Smooth Bear.
I'm here in downtown Cocoa Beach. I want to make sure you really enjoy your Surfing Santas experience, so I'm showing you the best places to have breakfast and lunch and brunch on Christmas Eve. I'm here with Christy from Coconuts on the Beach. She's going to tell us what is going on here during Surfing Santas.
We have thousands of people come out and dress up like Santa Claus and surf, and we serve a breakfast buffet that morning, and mimosas and Bloody Marys.
And I get a Bloody Mary that is spicy.
Maybe
Yeah?
we'll have a Bloody Mary bar.
Oh.
You can just make your own.
I like it.
Wouldn't that be nice?
I'm really the best chef of Bloody Marys, I think.
Okay.
I'm super good at it. So if I'm eating brunch here, my breakfast buffet here, do I get this view right here that we've got?
Yes, yes, you can see our deck. We have 2 bars outside and the inside.
This is definitely where I'm going to go for my Bloody Mary. For
All
sure.
right, bring it in the Santa way.
That sounds great. There are so many places for you to eat in Cocoa Beach during Surfing Santas on Christmas Eve. The first step to a successful day of beach going on Christmas Eve is to go get some coffee. So the best place for that is Juice and Java. They got some food there so you can get your grub on, have a little breakfast. You could always go to the Tiny Turtle. That place has some awesome lunch food. Then afterwards you can head over to the Fat Donkey for some ice cream. You know I like ice cream. You are not going to have an empty belly. I can promise you that. My belly's not empty, and I don't want yours to ever be empty either. That's a good fish taco.
Coconuts is also the home of the annual Surfing Santas event that takes place here on December 24th. We have more information on that coming up soon, so stay tuned. Planning a trip to the Space Coast but want to take a break from the beach? We have the perfect spot for you and your family. Make sure you check out the Dinosaur and Ancient Culture Museum here in Cocoa Beach.
Today we are at the Dinosaur store and brand new museum here in Cocoa Beach. Behind me is a 3-story, over 20,000 square foot complex all about dinosaurs and ancient cultures. It just opened this year and we're super stoked about it, so let's get inside and check it out. The Dinosaur store of Cocoa Beach was started 22 years ago, literally across the street from where we're standing today. Over those 20 years, the owner has not just expanded the building, but he's traveled assisting in museums, taking home artifacts, and adding into this museum that took 8 years to develop. The first floor is all about the Dinosaur store. These are items that you don't just look at, but you can purchase and take home with you. The second and third floor is all about the history and the education of these dinosaurs and ancient cultures. I have to say, I am incredibly blown away. This is so much more than I could have expected. There's a ton of history in here, and you get to experience it hands-on. So on your next trip to Cocoa Beach, make sure you check it out, and you're not going to regret it.
In case you didn't get your fill of dinosaurs in our last segment, we have Dalton Smith at the Brevard Zoo with yet another dinosaur exhibit to explore.
This is the 5th year that they've done this at the zoo, and it's really amazing. They bring in full-sized, actual dinosaurs that are all animatronic, and it's really interactive for literally anyone of any age. So going through today, we're gonna kind of give you a glimpse of what to see, and hopefully it'll get you stoked enough to come check it out. Phew. Hey, what's your problem, dude? Oh. How gnarly is this guy? But now we're getting ready to go into the Dinosaur Discovery Center, dust off some bones and see what we can find.
The holidays are upon us here on the Space Coast, and we are super excited. If you don't have plans to celebrate the season yet, this upcoming event is one you don't want to miss. Before Santa delivers all his presents to boys and girls across the world, he'll be hitting the waves in Cocoa Beach. Surfing Santas in downtown Cocoa Beach will have over 500 Santas that hang 10. There will also be a contest for the best dressed Santa that starts at 9 a.m. on Christmas Eve. The Santas will surf out at 10, so grab a seat at Coconuts and start your Christmas celebration off on the beach. Well, that looks like one fun family event that will take place on Christmas Eve. With the new year right around the corner, the Space Coast is a great place to ring in 2018. Here's a look at some upcoming events. As you ring in the new year and make your resolutions for 2018, we hope that Florida Space Coast is at the top of your list. Before we sign off today, we just want to thank our fans and our viewers of Space Coast Live for tuning in with us all year long. And we wanted to show you just some of our funny bloopers that took place here on the set of Space Coast Live. And we hope you all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year.
And you're live.
But again, a moment. All right. Welcome to 321 Space Coast. That is trippy. Oh my gosh. We are going to be hanging out with Andrew with some curbside cues. I need to do that again.
Pretty jelly of those moves.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I need to enunciate better. Allison, la la la. Let's do it again. I stumbled over my words.
La, la, la. That's for the blooper reel.
Sounds like you had an awesome time, Allison. Showing you the... Sorry. Today we're at the ancient... Museum.
It's a mouthful.
It is a mouthful.
Actually.
I totally forgot my line. That was sick. See what I did there? Added some Space Coast local la 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 la. That was sick. Shakas all around.